Hi, I'm back. In this video, I'm going to show what are the detailed options available for each charts. For example, if I drag and drop this donut chart, so I can easily expand this. So these are the options that is specific for donut chart. So you can see the same option available for each report element. For example, if I take any of these gauges, I can see this gear icon. So if I click that, it is going to display all these uh, options. So here if I click, I can see delete option, cut option, copy option and undo option, and I have option called redo and paste. Alright, so these settings is available for each report element. On top of that, you can easily expand and you can squeeze that specific report element inside your grid layout. So below you can see the visual properties. So these visual properties will be varying for each visuals or each report element. For example, if I drag and drop this tree map, I can see some more additional information on visual properties. If I click pie chart or donut chart, I can see only few visual properties available. So let us go to one by one. So I can name the visual. So this is the title of the visual. I can give subtitle, and I can say accent. So accent is something like if this is in white color, I can change to black color background, or if the background is already black, then it is going to change as white. So just vice versa. And here number format, so by default it is abbreviated currency for donut chart or pie chart. So I can change that into any of these. So let me say generally it is going to affect the values inside the chart. And here you can see value on chart or percentage on chart, or I just want to show only the chart. So I can say value on legend. I can easily enable the legend, so it is going to give me these results. So here you can see series visualization. So here you can see we have only donut chart, we don't have pie chart. Still they have named as pie chart, but we don't have a specific pie chart. So you can go to series visualization and you can choose pie chart or donut chart. If I say pie chart, it is going to give me the pie chart information. And here you can see data structure. So this is a main place where we have to consider how these data are pointed to the pie chart. So by default it is columns, and we have option to change to rows. Let me explain what is the difference between columns and rows. If I go to data, so before that you can see what are the legend values are there. Here you can see metric 1, metric 2, metric 3, 4 and 5. If I go to data, here you can see, so all the metrics are on a different columns. Alright, so those different columns are selected here. So if I go to layout, so by default these are columns. If I change to rows, then it is going to consider the rows inside the data set. If I go to data, here I can see under category we have different categories, category A, B, C, D, like that. So those values has been displayed in the pie chart. So you have to make sure whether you are going to display the data for column type measures or row type measures, so which you can control here under data structure. And on top of that, if I go to data, I can see I can select the specific report element. I can choose category. So since I have selected row, I have to choose category row and related measures. If I say column, I'll get only one option, so which I will have to say which columns I want to display in my pie chart. So by changing this data structure will affect all these values inside the data properties. Alright, so we have to make sure these things are properly configured. So I'll explain these aggregations in my next video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.